Okay, I think it's working this time. Not, I don't know what's going on. Oh my god. Okay. What a morning. Like I said, it's just been crazy this morning. Anyway. Now, let me finish this real quick and then we'll. Okay, it's good now. Okay, I don't want to screw with anything over there. I'm trying, like, usually I have it up here, but I wanted it down here. And, like, every time I'm trying to put it down here, it just doesn't want to do it. So, I don't know what's going on. No, like, we got this working. Okay, so the problem I'm having is when we go to the Wave shop, um, I can't click the button. So, that's what I'm trying to fix right now. Um, Give me a sec. I want to get this, I want to get it done because, like, it's just hanging out there and it just drives me nuts. I've been working on it since yesterday. So, that's what I'm saying. Like, after I streamed yesterday, I came back to it last night a little bit and worked on it and fixed a few things. Um, so anyway, just let me read through this real quick. But yeah, it seems to be working now. Streamlabs seems to be okay. I don't know what happened. It glitched out. Really bad. Yeah, I don't know what happened. Okay, it looks like it's fine. I just like the way I have my windows structured here on my screen. It's like it's not ideal, and when I tried moving it around, like it froze up. So I have no. I don't want to do it again. Okay, are you still there, Bit? Okay, cool. Everything's good then. All right, good. Yeah, that was weird. It just like literally, it just like went black. Like everything just went black, and it froze up like twice. That was weird. Okay, so okay, I created this. We had to create some event system. Oh, now it's saying I'm live. Okay. Is there stuff going on? Is Twitch having any issues, or maybe Streamlabs is having issues? Okay. Yeah, it's I don't know, something's funky. Okay, that's good. It just hicked up or something. It must be just something with Streamlabs. Okay. All right. So what we need to do? Okay, shop panel with our 4 buttons. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Okay. I gotta fire up the gaming PC, so we'll do that here in a sec, and then I'll have to switch there. So I'll have to bring the stream down, and then we'll fire it up over there. It's just like a habit. Like I've gotten into this habit, like working on the game. You know what I mean? So it's like it feels weird not to do what I'm supposed to do. It's because I've created a habit. You know. And like my morning, I had to do this stuff that I don't normally do. So my day, like I feel all weird, discombobulated. But which one did you want to play? Trailmakers or did you want to play? We'll do Trailmakers since that's the one you suggested first. Okay, so under your canvas, right click in the hierarchy. So it should automatically parent it. Yeah, we got the buttons there. Okay. Okay, that sounds good. Yeah, I don't know. Yesterday, like it took, well, normally I streamed at like 10, so we're like an hour and a half behind, and everybody kind of came in around now, I think, if I remember. So now that I'm at, I got a little late start, maybe people will come filtering in here. Okay, cool. Yeah, yesterday got crazy. It got wild, man. Chat was just off the roof. It's great. I mean, I'm glad that it happened, but like, yeah, it was like I couldn't follow it after a while. It just got too much. But it's cool. I'm glad everybody was talking and having fun. Yeah. Yeah, go ahead, finish what you need to do. Let me finish this and then we'll jump in. Let's try to get some people in here so we can play. Yeah, no problem. Sounds good. Your panel isn't covering everything with okay, if your panel is an image component, it's fine. Just keep its raycast checks buttons. Right, yeah. Dude, use ChatGPT for ideas, man. Like that's what I use it for brainstorming. It works. Let me tell you. Said I'm thinking this. What are some ideas based on this or whatever? And it'll like give me 5 ideas based on this, and it will just and it might spark a new thing. That's how I use it. Yeah, give it a shot. You'll be surprised. So something might be blocking the panel. But what happens is, so these come up, but when I try clicking them during, not right now, but during the, I don't like that right there. I want that down here. Um, During the wave shop, and this comes up to go to the next wave, like you can't click to do anything, and I'm trying to figure out why. Other than that, it should work. Um, and once we get that, we should be good. And then next we'll have to do is we just have to tighten up a few things. Got music. Just have to tighten up I want to the enemies I want to like make it a little bit different. I want the waves to keep spawning through the waves like randomly. Um, yeah. But here's the buttons here. Why are the buttons? This is it here. Okay, that's good. Okay, at the wave boundary quarantine, call shop open shop. Close shop, okay, close shop, open shop, right here. Shop panel, set active, timed at scale, okay. Okay. Yeah, that's set up correctly. Try something, because we do have it. I mean, they do come up, so that works. Got the buttons in here. I'll nested it in here. And we have a graphic raycaster. Okay. Oh, cool. Right, we gotta run. Oh, we're gonna die. Ah! No, 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 no! You implemented the fallback? Cool. What you working on? Oh, that thing. Okay, yeah, your library thing. I remember now. That you were building. Yeah, we gotta get that shader. See how all the enemies group together like that? I mean, it's okay. It's just like... we kind of need to figure something out. There should be other spawns happening. Oh, debugging it? Cool. And then I mean, everything's working. For some reason, they're giving 2 for each kill, which I have it set for 1. I don't know why it's given 2. But anyway, I adjust the XP. That's why it crashed yesterday, because we had it just paused. It didn't crash, but it just stopped because we hit the cap already. So I adjusted that. Alright, so okay, see, it comes up. Now, continue works. Dude, nothing works. So I want to put an image here so we know what we're getting. I want a whole UI here, but you know, for right now we got to get this working. But it should work. Me. Should fire up the gaming PC here. Wait a sec. Yeah, I don't know why that's... So the continue looks fine, but these ones, so something's not working. Oh, maybe we didn't have enough. Yeah, we might not have enough. We'll have to fix that. I'm troubleshooting this. Gaming PCs is fired up. I should have just waited to stream, did this off stream, and then got into the stream right away with gaming, but it's okay. Just gotta make sure there's no updates or nothing. Sure. Hey, Clutch. Wrong, yeah. Yeah, firing it up because we're gonna jump into that game probably here in a little bit. I'm just I'm still troubleshooting this issue. Like, we got these things working, you know, everything, and then I was working on this last night a little bit and this morning, but then I had some things come up. I had to go get groceries and, you know, life stuff, and then so I'm trying to do this stuff now. And then we'll head on over. Yeah, what do you need, Bit? Like give me some direction. I'll try to come up with something. Yeah, I don't, he's something with his library, I think. He wants to add things to his library that he's working on. Plan on introducing a system which can allow you to set custom debugging levels. Do you think using IDs to make levels and just recall the IDs is a good idea? Let's see. Yeah. I don't really know either, but I'm not that well versed. Like, what do you want to add? Like, what do you mean by levels? Like, kind of just give a high level of what the library is about, maybe, so me and Clutch can kind of understand it real quick. Like, I totally want to help. I just I'm not really, you know, up on the lingo. Okay, so like a level at least in my setup means info warn fatal. Okay. For the actual air miss. Oh, okay. So you want something to happen before the error message? Okay. I guess you could go with a warrant, like maybe like a reminder message or something, like, hey, if you do this, you know, or something. Yeah, I don't know so much bit, so I don't know. Don't ask me. Like, I know what you're kind of trying to do. It's just like I'm not knowledgeable about it or have ever done it before, so I really don't know. Like, I don't know what custom levels is. Recall them? Okay. Yeah, maybe put in like a way for the user to retrieve it. Or ask, maybe. Like, ask, hey, what can I do? Like a prompt or something, or like instructions. Or maybe like a reminder check. Like, hey, do you want to, or would you like to create a custom level? You know what I mean? Like, maybe something like that. If you can do that, I don't know. There you go. That always works. You have like a field made of tiles. It should be pretty easy to store this in an array and make... Yeah, see, Clutch knows way more than what I know. Alright. Sorry, I had to answer wife texted me. Okay, first off, bugging library like code wise, not a game. So second of all, I want to recall based on a certain configuration. Can you do like a menu or something? Or like I said, maybe a prompt that comes up? Like I said, yeah, I'm not knowledgeable on this, so I have no idea, man. I'm just throwing stuff out there. Maybe it will spark an idea for you. Or maybe you got everything you need. Yeah, go to the bathroom, yeah. Exactly. Especially if you're taking a shower, or go for a walk, dude. A walk is where I get my best ideas. I'll just go for a walk and kind of let my brain wander and things pop in my head. Or right before sleep. That's the worst. You know, it's like right before sleep you get an idea and it's like, oh, I gotta go to bed. And now I have this freaking idea I want to do, and then you'll forget it the next day. Yeah, like I said, I'm new to the world, so I don't know exactly what he's trying to do. I mean, I want to help. Okay, so it looks like... Okay, so event system...
It's 12 o'clock.
Okay, that's the problem. Alright, I'm gonna try something here. I don't know if I want to do this. Time for the community. I already read that. Okay, but oh, we got that. Okay. Oh, okay. So if you don't have enough, the buttons will be grayed out, which they were, and we didn't have enough. But the thing is the continue button didn't work. And yeah, the ID system with a vector array would be the most efficient. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about, so I mean, I've heard arrays, I've heard that. I'm just not knowledgeable on it. Perspective. Okay. Yeah, we got that. Alright, let's try this and see if it works. Don't think it's going to, but try. Forgot to set the time, damn it. Need to put this down to like a minute. Make sure everything still works. Yeah, that's working. Also, I want to see if we can change the slider up. It should have like, it should fill in at the back here, and I don't know why it's not. I might have it set up wrong. Anyway. Not important. Yeah, I need to adjust the time. Doing this. Ooh, that's got hard. See, if you go right in there, you get killed. Like it's harder than it looks. Yes, you can sit here and ghost them. Just sit here and do this, but then you know you need to think of like things to do. Yeah, see, it shows it right here. I think I might need to change the setting. Left to right, maybe. These would work. Feel that player boundaries it broke or something. It was working and then something happened where it broke. Still think that needs to shift a little bit. Okay. Huh. Should work. All right, let's see here. Canvas. Top pan. I wonder if we're supposed to get rid of that and just put it here. It's cute. Yesterday was crazy clutch. Like, I think you were here for most of it. Oh, yeah, you were. It was just wild. Like, everybody was chatting. Like, it was cool, though, but definitely a little overwhelming at first. Yeah, it was. Like, Bit, what's the ultimate goal with the thing that you're trying to build? It's just a debugging library? A system I can easily integrate into programs for runtime error handling. Okay. Trying to think. Can you do like a way to check for errors? Or no? I'm trying to put myself in the user. But, you know, somebody that's going to be using it, think like them. With some things that they might want to be able to do. Easily grow C++. It's easy to grow with any type of bear check. Okay. Like, does it do everything you want it to do? It's like, don't just add things to add things. You know what I mean? Not saying you are. I'm just saying, like, if it does what it's supposed to do, then you might have everything you need. Oh, okay. Okay. That makes sense. Yeah. All right. I'm thinking about just deleting all this stuff and starting over. I want to see if this level bounds would work again. Okay. Okay, reset them. Okay. Okay. Pick that. Okay, we have that, dude. I need to take a quick walk. My brain needs to like just like like I said, my brain is scrambled right now because I had so much stuff to do and I came and jumped right into streaming. Let me check my computer, make sure everything's ready to go. We're gonna have to switch anyway. Good. Yeah, sure. Okay. Okay. Can you give me an example? Not working. Don't need to hook up the on-click and inspector. Okay, we don't do that. Yes, I don't have that. A proper canvas. I don't know. Might just have to stop this and we'll the work off this stream. We can just jump on that. Like I said, I have to. Yeah, no problem, Bit. Okay, yeah. Take a look here in a sec. I'm just trying to get this done so I can hop in. We can start playing that game. It just feels weird because, like, you know, I'm so used to doing this every day. It's like a habit. I've made a habit now, and it feels weird not if I don't do it. So. That's all. Okay. See, that's all we've done everything, and now I'm saying like the waves need to kind of stagger a little bit. I think they don't need to all drop at once. Wonder if there's a setting for that. I don't remember if we did. Okay, the alarm goes off. Okay. All right, it didn't happen this time. All right, so that didn't work. Okay. Okay. It says 3, but for some reason 2. As you can see, like all the waves spawn at once. And they're all like grouped together. Like we need to get them so they spread out a little more. So it makes it a little bit harder to do because like you just got to do that. You know, kind of run through them. So I need to get it to where the waves. Yeah, look at that. I mean, that's all you have to do. We'll need to fix that. Not right now. That's something we'll have to do. Yeah, see this the slider's working. I'd rather not have this. I'd rather just have a, like a gauge. And I don't know why or why it's doing that. I'll have to look into that. All right, come on, speed up, speed up. Cause see now, like if you got all the waves done, you have time. You're like doing nothing. We need to fix that. 10 seconds. See if this thing works. Yeah, but I'll look at that in a bit. Oh Jesus. Okay, now it's we. Okay, so that's not what we want. Okay. Ugh, it's starting to piss me off. Okay. Yeah, see, it would be better if the three buttons were up here and then continue would pop up once you select it. And I don't know. Sorry, guys. That's the continue button. I don't. What's going on here? See if this works. Like, today is like one of those days where you're just like fighting yourself. Sucks. Like, not very motivated. What color should the buttons be? Purple? I'm hopefully gonna get some UI. I have a pack that I got, so hopefully we can swap these out and actually use real, real UI. Because like what I envision is an actual like screen would pop up, UI, and then there'll be the like what we're doing. This is just for now to build it, to get the system working, and then we'll switch everything out hopefully. Because like I'd have like an image here for speed boot, like some like feet or something, damage, like a shield, and then health would be just like a health thing, so you know what you're buying, and then when you click them, it should work. Should, in theory. Everything is set up correctly. They keeps telling me like something's messed up in the way we're doing here. Like I don't have something, and it's like I have it. It's like I'm thinking like just to delete all this and start over, but man, I don't want to do that. Every time we do that, we end up breaking it. All right. Thinking that top canvas needs to be on its own. See if this works. Oh, now the continue button. Let's see if that works. Yeah, I don't know if now the continue probably won't show up. We want it to show up after we're done clicking the first 3 buttons. But let's get it to work first. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7 waves. There should be 8. 7. You see how they all crowd together? We need to fix that so they're spread out a little bit more. That light's really starting to bother me. Needs to be a little more transparent. Like, I'm getting bored, like, because I've been working on this so much. Like, today's just the day where my brain's just like, dude, you're bored. Do something else. All you have to do is do that. Done. We'll have to fix all that. I don't know. See. I gotta start thinking about more gameplay. All right, let's see if it pops up this time. Okay, it pops up. Doesn't work. Of course. Now the continue button is not going to work. Yeah, see, like even hovering over it, it doesn't do anything. Jeez. Give it a sprite image. Give it an image, it says. All right. I don't know. Today is not the day. Change that and see what happens. Uh, yeah, you can't see anything. They need to be more transparent. We'll worry about that later. Well, they got derailed. all this UI stuff. Welcome to game development. Plus when you don't know what you're doing. Alright, well that's all the enemies. Come on, man. Alright, come on. At 10. Alright, it came up. Still doesn't work. Alright. I'm done with this for today, I think. Alright. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to like redo this whole thing. Reset it all up. It's just not working. Alright. Alright, Bit. I think we're just gonna call it for the game today, and then we'll jump in. I'll have to turn the stream down, and then we'll reboot it up over there. Okay. I'll wait a little bit then. You tell me when you're ready, man. Maybe I can figure this out here. Okay, yep. No problem. Go eat something? Yeah, it is almost lunchtime. No, it's okay. I'll continue working on this. No big deal. No big deal. No worries. Fletch, you still there? All right. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna delete dot canvas. That's good. We're gonna start over. Today's, like I said, today's one of those days where just like everything goes wrong. It's all good. You know, every day is. Yeah, it's just, you know, I mean, you're not always gonna have a good day, man. You're not always gonna bat 100. You know, there's gonna be hiccups in projects. It's just that's just how it goes. I mean, like, look what we built. I mean, like, we've built a lot of stuff. It's just, you know, this one little stupid system is just not working. I mean, we got it to work like it's supposed to. It's just the buttons aren't working. So I must not have something set up here in the hierarchy correct. So that's why I'm gonna just redo it real quick. All right. We have a UI canvas right here. Canvas component, yeah. The graphic ray case, right here. Good. Uh, what I do? I gotta make sure that they still work. See it now. That's still working. Great. Okay. So I can throw that in there. Just need to get the size. Why? That's. Oh, here we go. What the? '80 is way too big. It's like not consistent. It's like I have all the same text, and for some reason doesn't match the same size. Okay, that should work. Wave alert. That one's got to be moved a little. Uh, there we go. Much better. Okay. I don't remember what I had for those settings now. 500 by 30. For that. Might be too much. '30 might be good. 200. I don't remember what I had now. Okay. Trying to find the specs that I had for that because now it's too small. We changed the screen size.
It's 1 o'clock.
Ah, wait. Okay, wear that up. Huh. It didn't have shit. Well, this is what happens when you change shit. Oh god, that looks horrible. There we go. We got back. Sort of. Okay. Health. Okay, we gotta want to fix that one. Good. Status panel. The XP. All right, so we got everything there. Okay, we're back to where we were. Oh, man, it's like compared to yesterday, it's freaking like dead in here today. It's all good. I know you guys are working on stuff. All good. Nice. All right, so we're gonna redo this. Isn't this stretch on all positions? Disable the shot panel and the inspector. All right. Now we add buttons. We did this, man. Exactly how we did it. Button. Bet you that's the because we use Text Mesh Pro and not just button. Now we need to duplicate that one. I want to position these manually. Why the hell didn't it update the name of the button? I know. I'm an idiot. I health. Forgot this. My brain's not working today. Again. Alright, there we go. For now. Okay, so if we want a picture, we have to drag that in now. Alright, hold on. Okay, but okay, so drag icons, images above each button in the hierarchy so you have parent them. Yeah, no problem. Okay. Oh, did we run out of music? Oh, we did. Oh yeah, dude. Oh yes, I remember that song. I'll get copyrighted. That's the thing. Can't play, like, trust me, I wouldn't be listening to this. I'd be listening to music that I like. Not that I don't like the chiptune stuff. It's just like, yeah, it's Yeah, you get a freaking copyright strike. We're gonna attach this script. I'm gonna update here. I think that's what we did wrong. I don't think I had this in a canvas. I think that's what the issue is. Let's see. Trigger it from your wave spawner. Ah. There. Alright. I think that's what the issue is. I think we didn't have this in here. Because I remember this happened. See how we have the canvas and that? Hopefully that's the issue. Oh. We'll see if this works. Please, please be the fix. I do not want to mess with this anymore. I want to be done with all this UI stuff for a while. We gotta, I mean, player progression's important. We gotta start thinking about that. We spent way too much time on the town, which is not finished. We still gotta do stuff, but we gotta work on this, the spawning of the enemies. Fixing that, the power-ups. Everything looks like it's still working. That's good. Hopefully this will be it. Oh, we gotta redo the buttons and everything again. There's a power up over here. Fletch, you still there? I think you are. I mean, I know some days like we'll have people in here a lot, some people we won't. I get it. That's how it works. All right, 30 seconds. Because I would still like to do the like plants and grass, like give more 3D to the ground. But like I said, that stuff we can do later. We got to get the game built, progressions in, and how we're gonna get all the the points and experience points and the shops and the boosts and all that stuff. Got to figure all that stuff out. Okay, wave incoming. Yeah, that looks better that I shifted that. Oh yeah, it looks way better. Then we gotta start doing stuff. Okay, all right, here we go. Still doesn't work. Damn. Gotta be. It's probably some little stupid thing too. I mean, wave shop. Need to get the wave shop script. That do its thing. Hit the restroom real quick. you're done, Bit? Cool. Yeah, I wish I was done too, but something's like we redid everything and I don't know what's going on here. Wants me to redo it again. We have all that, man. Cool, Bit. That's cool. He wants me to redo this. Oh, we got a software update here. iPad. That real quick. Like, I'll find your USB cable. I'm gonna check the script real quick. Let's try this now. Okay. I just want to get like this done. We can move on. I don't even know what we're gonna work on next, to tell you the truth. We'll probably play the game though. You're done, Benny. Ready? Just let me know when you're ready. But yeah, like tomorrow we'll start on I keep interesting. You definitely have to polish up some of these things. Like this is just easier. You just like barrel through them all. Need to make them spread out a little bit more. That's it. That's all of them. I'm saying we need to fix that. And this thing is weird. I don't know why. Not working correctly. Like, I'm getting sick and tired of looking at this game. I might work on take a little break from this for like a couple days just to reboot, recharge. And I might start working on some AI stuff. I want to do a chat, like an AI agent. I want to figure out how to do that. Maybe that's something we can work on. For, you know, just a couple days, and then we'll come back to this. Alright, here we go. Nope. We have it set up, man. Okay, sounds good, Bit. Hopefully I can get this figured out in 5 minutes. And then I'll feel good about myself. It's like it's popping up, it's doing everything it needs to do, but for some reason, it's not getting our click. It's not... For some reason, but I just followed the instructions, I redid this whole thing. I don't know. Yeah, we have this right. Yeah, we have this all right. Interesting. Okay. Go the wave spawner. Bar shop. Wave loop. Board wave. Stop right there. Yeah, that's all right. I don't know. Yeah, go ahead. Reboot, yeah. Oh, you're coding on Windows? Oh, good. Did you get Linux working? Okay. Ha! It's telling me to redo it. Alright, I think that's good for today, for the game. Alright, I have to shut down the stream here, and then I'll boot it up on the PC and get everything working. So that will end everything for the game stream today. Like I said, we're gonna jump on into Trailmakers. I have to get on the gaming PC, but anyway, thanks everybody. We'll be back in a little bit. We'll be back tomorrow to work on the game. I'm thinking, or we'll do that AI thing. I don't know yet. We'll see. I might need a little break from this. We've been working pretty hard on this. All right, let me close this down and we'll be back.